Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Technologyglance. Today, in this video, I'm going to guide you through how you can mute message sound off channel notification on BIP. So, let's get started. Firstly, open BIP app in your device. Then tap on three lines icon. Next, tap on settings. After that, tap on notifications. Next, tap on channel notifications. After that, tap on sound. Next, you can see the option of mute at top. Tap on it. Then tap on arrow. Next, tap on save. So, this is how you can mute sound off channel notification on BIP. Thanks for watching. If you found this guide helpful, we would love it if you hit the thumbs up button below. We upload great new tech tutorials like this one every day. So, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so that you'll never miss another update.